Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial and I'm going to show you guys on how to delete bulk emails in Yahoo Mail account. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on any web browser and log in your Yahoo account. So kahit anong browser yung gamitin natin sa pag-login ng ating account ay pwede po siya, like Microsoft Edge, Mozilla Firefox, or Chrome browser. And next step, so open lang natin na ating Chrome web browser. And then once nakapag-login ka na, so ganito yung makikita mo dito sa Yahoo homepage. And then dito lang sa upper right side, kailangan mo lang i-click to Yahoo Mail icon. So click mo lang yan. And madadirect tayo dito sa Yahoo Mail inbox natin. Okay, so kung paano ba natin i-bulk delete lahat ng emails natin dito sa ating account. So napakadali lang naman. So dito lang sa upper right side mga kaibigan, dito siya. So makikita mo dito yung box na yan. So kailangan mo lang i-check yung box. And automatic mga kaibigan na mayroong 40 conversations na selected na pwede nating i-delete. Okay? So once na-select mo na yan, and then dito naman sa gitna makikita mo dito yung mga options. So pwede mo itong i-archive, move, delete, or pwede mong i-move sa spam. Okay, so i-click mo lang itong delete. So click mo lang yan. And 40 conversations deleted. Alright? So ganoon lang po kasimple on how to bulk delete emails on Yahoo Mail. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.